Hey, I'm Andrew. Today we're going to be working on a 2012 to 2020 Chevy Sonic 4-door hatchback. So if you're buying parts online and you're looking for the rear door glass, be sure to know the difference and differentiate. The hatchback and the sedan door glasses are not the same. So first we're going to take the door panel off. I usually have a screwdriver with me so I can get this little trap door here, stick it here in the corner, pull up. It's going to reveal fastener here, and then also down here got a fastener there. Okay, up here I've got this plastic panel piece. Pull up here, pull it off. It's got clips. I'm going to move that out of the way. For this fastener here in the door jamb, it's 9/32. Go ahead and take that fastener out real quick, and then down here. The next thing we're going to do to remove the door panel is it's got clips around the perimeter. So I have a clip tool or a pry tool that I use to get and remove the clips. I insert my little pry tool here, lift up on that, and you can hear them pop. They come off. You've popped all the clips on the door panel. You'll just need to lift it up over the edge here with your lip. When I'm working on custom vehicles, I don't like to leave the door panel hanging from whatever fasteners are left. So for here, we have the window switch. It's got to depress and pull. And then this here, little clip. Pull back, disconnect little ball bearings. So we're gonna move your door panel out of the way. Got a weather barrier here. I'm gonna pull it out of the way.
Hey, yeah, so I'm obviously not great at operating a camera. Andrew again, by the way.
Actually had a lot of trouble with my camera. So basically the Chevy Sonic, because it's so square, and you have to really remove a lot of the things that are there to be able to get that window and angle it in a particular way. I hope this was helpful. Unfortunately, my video cutting in and out and having no tripod really did me no service, and unfortunately it just resulted in not a really great video. Okay, the trick to the hatchback door glass is removal of things that are in your way. There's a couple of bolts or nuts here. I'll go ahead and pull these off. This fastens. How well you can see. Of course, I can't see things. I got so much glare on my screen. This removes a track piece that fits along the side of the glass here. Removal of that or unfastening of that will allow for this window to have a lot more play when you're removing it. And of course, your door handle up here, there's two 10mm fasteners on the inside here and under here underneath the weather barrier. And once you have those, it has clips here and here that fasten up here, but you have to disconnect the lever, the arm, and it's got a little clip that holds it, snaps into here. Once you disconnect that, you can pull that out of the way. Removing these things should allow you to pull the window out once you have all the stuff removed.